So hi and welcome guys to another episode of Homebrew House. Today we were going to be looking at the Still Spirits flavouring range and trying out the mango liqueur and seeing if it's any good. So let's jump straight into the video. So this top shelf mango liqueur, I don't know if you can see the instructions there. It says shake well before use, add essence and 650ml to 40% ABV distilled spirit or vodka. What I'm going to do is add the vodka now, put that down 1 minute. I've just got a bottle of Smirnoff vodka. You can use your distilled spirits if you want. So just going to pour that in my blender. That's about 650ml. So I'm adding the schnapps base A now to the 650ml of vodka. So pop the lid on that and give that quick blend up. Then I'm going to pop my schnapps. Schnapps in there. And then just give it another quick blend. So the smell coming off that now at the moment is just like tropical mango juice. It smells absolutely gorgeous. So that's my liqueur blended now. I'm just going to put it into this bottle because you need to top it up with water to 1.25 litres and I've no 1.5 litre bottles. So I'm just going to put it in here for now before I transfer it, mix it up with the water. So pour that in there. I had to half it because I couldn't fit all of it in the blender. It was spilling over, so I'm just going to give this one a quick blend before I put that back in. So you can see it's quite thick now the sugar's dissolving. The smells and the aromas I'm getting off this, it is just like the best mango smoothie you've ever smelled. It smells gorgeous. So that's that. So I've got about 350ml of water thereabouts. Hold it steady. And I'm just going to add that to the mango liqueur. I'm going to put the lid on that and give it a quick shake. So I'm just going to bottle my mango liqueur up now. I've got a nice Gallery premium vodka spirit mango crush, so a perfect bottle to put it in. So just going to top that off now. So that is my almost 2 bottles of mango liqueur. One of them's only a small bottle, it's only 500 mils, and that's a 700 ml bottle, but that's what it's made. And we've got a little shot of it here, who my girlfriend Amy's going to try it.
The smell is unreal. Oh my god, that is absolutely epic. That is so beautiful. The taste in your mouth, that is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I'd have that over ice, I'd have it as a cocktail, and I'd have it neat. There's no burn. Oh, it's beautiful.
So, thumbs up.
More than a thumbs up, double thumbs up.
Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps us out and lets you know about future videos that are coming up. Also, please comment below on your favourite homebrew products. If there's anything you'd like us to try, do a video of, we'd love to hear from you, and let us know what you guys think.